Would you like to simplify your NOA setup, applying blending modifiers alike? The NOA strip merger is pretty much here to help. A simple but fundamental tool that quite simply combines any selected NLA strips down into one, just streamlining your animation and simplifying complex animations. Animation, double! The script works by first having an object or armature selected, with at least one strip highlighted in the NLA. Right-click, find Merge, and whatever you've selected will be baked cleanly to a single new strip, while ignoring any strips that haven't been selected. The process of merging not only combines selected NOA strips, but it also applies modifiers like stepped interpolation and noise. And it all just takes into account blending between tracks, transitions, its playback speed, repeats, reversing, and so on. Your previous strips are not lost. They can be re-added at any time. If you don't want to lose your strip setup, you can easily just duplicate your selection before just merging them. Of course, if you want to bake poses, the keyframes of bones, you just have to go into pose mode and select whichever bones you want to include. You can easily isolate the animation from specific bones this way, by just duplicating a specific strip, selecting the bones you want to keep, and then merging just that one strip. That way, you'll keep the actions of the bones, but everything else will be ignored. Have a lengthy walk cycle which you want to further adjust, apply it, and then the loop becomes the standard keyframes. Want to collapse all those layers of corrective animations? Remove all those blends in and out, reach the end of the animation process, and you just want to cleanly look upon your work? Strip Merger is here to help. A one-click add-on of enduring aid. If you didn't understand, you just merged two NLA tracks together, and now you have one NLA track. Pretty cool, right? It's like merge. It's pretty OP. Check it out. Get it. Get the add-on before it escapes. It is an add-on which has a brain on its own, and it is trying to run away from you. So catch it. Attack us the add-on.